So we're here on the banks of Lake Victoria, waiting on a ferry to cross over to the other, well, not the other side, but another part of the lake. This is Lake Victoria, which is a huge lake, and you can see behind me, quite expansive. It is roughly 2 times the size of Belgium, so it is a very, very big lake. It's pretty much bigger than most your average country, and it is a big harbour of schistosomiasis, Kichocho. We are at a school in rural Mwanza region, and we are processing the stool samples of 100 children. So first we give toilet paper to the children. And we take down their names. And here we are sorting out stool containers. Give the containers to the kids. We use a technique called Kato cats, which is used to identify which children are producing schistosome eggs. As you know, the schistosome eggs come out in the stool sample. Once we have used this technique, we look at the slides under the microscope, and if the schistosome eggs are present in the stool sample, we know that the child is infected with schistosome worms. Hopefully, by the end of the day, we will know how many children are infected, and we will also know which stool samples we should use in order to isolate the parasite DNA. So the only stool samples I particularly need are the ones that are positive, have schistosome eggs. I then use those stool samples to isolate the schistosome eggs, make them hatch, and collect the parasite of those stool samples to collect the DNA and bring it back to the museum so we can do DNA work on each parasite sample, which we can then use to monitor how the treatment of school children is affecting the parasite, make sure that there is no drug resistance developing in the parasite, and also see whether the treatment program is having any lasting impact on the parasite population or not. And this we will feed back to the National Institute for Medical Research, who will in turn feed it back to their Ministry of Health. And this will inform their future plans for the control of schistosomiasis, which I should add that all the children that we collected from today and all the children that we've collected from for this bunch of fieldwork that we've done of 15 schools, they are all going to get treated, which is part of the Tanzanian's Ministry of Health National Neglected Tropical Disease Control Program. So all the children are going to get treated for schistosomiasis.